Hi, it's Kevin, Rob and Chris from SMC. We thought we would video this big reveal of some bronzing that we've had done by Future Automation and Matt Hill of Bespoke. We have a situation where the client wanted to have a Wisdom L75 speaker, but they didn't like the finish of the L75 speaker, so we had to design and create a bronze box for it to go in. So our client really likes the sound of these speakers, which are great, but we need to try and match some of the ironmongery that are in the property, and therefore we needed to build something that was going to be suitable for the room. Oh mate, that's lovely. So as you can see, the speaker is actually going to sit within this frame. The cloth will finish it off. We've got some feet here that we can adjust, and actually the bracket there goes inside the wall so that the speaker, and then is plastered over so that the speaker appears to be floating. So this section here will actually go through the skirting. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that, man.